How to log into TikTok account on PC. If you're looking for a way to browse TikTok, upload videos, and interact with the feed directly from your computer, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to log into your TikTok account on your PC or a laptop. Let's get started. First things first, you need to open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Any browser will do. Now, head over to TikTok's official site by typing www.tiktok.com, or you can also search TikTok and tap on the first result. Once you're on the TikTok homepage, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see several login options. You can sign in using your TikTok username, email, or phone number, or you can choose to log in via social media accounts as well. Here, I've chosen email or username. What you need to do is simply enter your credentials and just enter your password. If you have any two-step verification, you may have to simply enter the code as well. Once logged in, you'll be taken straight to your TikTok feed, and that's it. That's how you simply log into your TikTok account in PC.